Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a note on the StarNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different options. New, if you want to create a new note, click the create button, and here select the create new note option, the first option, and here you can select the page of your note, for example corner A, and you can select a color of the page, and you can select a different cover. And if you finish, click to the create button, and you can write your notes and other text, and you can add a name to your notebook. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.